Hi, my name is John Irving. I work with Environmental Support and Services. I'd like to talk to you today about INL's landscape. One of the best vantage points to view this landscape is from the top of the volcanic buttes that rise above the desert floor. One of these, Middle Butte, rises about 1,200 feet off the desert, giving a great view of the surrounding area. When viewing the INL site from this vantage point, one of the first things that you notice is the sheer size of the INL, an area about the size of the state of Rhode Island. 890 square miles consisting mostly of sagebrush, grasslands, and lava outcrops. As you can see, facilities are widely scattered and barely visible with the naked eye on the landscape. When taken as a whole, the INL infrastructure, things like facility areas, buildings, roads, gravel pits, landfills, make up less than 2% of the total 890 square miles. I can imagine that the landscape looks much the same as when surveyors placed a survey marker on top of Middle Butte in 1936 and looked out over what is now the INL. However, the landscape also hints of recent human influences, scars left by wildland fires and fire containment lines, the network of roads that crisscross the site, the faint outline of buildings and structures, and the large antennas sitting atop the nearby East Butte. The secure nature of the INL site limited modern development and access, leaving a relatively undisturbed landscape with its cultural, biological, and natural resources. The resources of this landscape are delicate, and our influence will either protect or destroy what we can see from this vista. The point that I would like to make today is that it is important to conduct our work and behave in such a way to preserve our landscape and to protect the resources, to help preserve the mission of the INL.